Hello?
Good day, miss. Your scheduled meeting will happen shortly.
Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let me sit down. Okay, Kim. Let us now address a very important issue. Our supply chain is facing some serious challenges. And Ben, can you summarize the key issues here?
Yes, certainly we're dealing with 4 main problems. So, first, an increased lead times and shipping costs and decreased inventory turnover, supplier reliability. So, our primary supplier of solar panels in Southeast Asia experiencing longer production times due to increased demand and raw materials shortages. Additionally, global shipping costs have increased significantly, eating into our profit margins. Furthermore, we're struggling to balance inventory levels, whether have too much stock, leading to increased storage costs, or too little, leading to production delays and missed sales. And lastly, we have increasing issues with the quality and consistency of materials from a key supplier.
These issues are having a significant impact on our profitability. Our Q2 earnings are down. If we don't address these challenges, we're projecting a further decline in Q3.
From an operations standpoint, the delays are causing havoc with our production schedule. We're constantly having to adjust our plans, which leads to inefficiencies and increased overtime costs.
And it's not just production. This delay are affecting our ability to fulfill orders, which is damaging our customer relationship and impacting sales.
Okay, so this is a multifaceted problem. We need to make strategic plans. Ben, what are our options for mitigating these challenges?
I identified 4 potential strategies. First is diversification of suppliers, which we can explore alternative suppliers in different regions to reduce our reliance on a single source. Next is strategic partnership with logistics providers, which we can negotiate long-term contracts with key logistics providers to secure more favorable shipping rates and improve delivery reliability. And investment in advanced inventory management software, where we can implement a new software system that uses AI and real-time data to optimize our inventory levels and improve forecasting accuracy. And lastly, enhance supplier quality control, where we can implement more effective quality control measures and work more closely with suppliers to ensure reliability.
These are all viable options, but they come up with significant financial implications. We need to carefully evaluate the ROI of each option.
From an operational point of view, I see the value in all 4 strategies. It makes us less vulnerable, more efficient, and reduces waste and rework.
And I agree with Ben on diversifying suppliers.
We've already identified several potential alternative suppliers, but we need to assess their capabilities and negotiate contracts.
Strategic partnerships with logistics providers could definitely help us control shipping costs, but we need to consider the trade-offs between cost savings and flexibility.
And from an IT standpoint, the advanced inventory management software is crucial. Our current system is outdated and should provide the real-time visibility we need.
We also need to consider the risks associated with each option. Diversifying suppliers introduce new risks such as quality inconsistencies and supply chain complexity.
From a sustainability perspective, we need to evaluate the environmental and social impact of our supply chain decisions.
Diversifying suppliers could mean working with companies with different sustainability practices.
Okay, after hearing the challenges, let's break down the decision-making process. A very productive discussion. So after weighing all the factors, I will now be proposing the following actions. So first is prioritize supplier diversification. Elena, where is Elena? Okay, so please lead the effort of identifying and qualifying new suppliers. And the next one is to proceed with the investment in advanced inventory management software. Henry, where's Henry? And then David and Camille. David and Camille. Okay, so I want you three to work with each other to implement the new system. And third is negotiate strategic partnerships with logistic providers. Frank and Jasmine, where are you? Frank and Jasmine. So I want you to explore long-term contracts but with built-in flexibility, okay? Next and lastly is to enhance the supplier quality controls. Ingrid and Gwen, where are you? Ingrid and Gwen. So I want you to work with Elena to implement more stringent quality control, okay? We want to make sure that GreenTech is always pioneering in the market, okay? So with that being said, I will now be ending this meeting. You may now all go. Thank you.